So hello everyone, this side is Badal and today is day 2 of our English challenge of our English speaking series. This is day 2 and I want to talk about in this video about how AI can change the world. So let's start with the step by step. Okay, so I will talk about the first few points. In these topics, we are talking around. First, let's me clarify you. I am going to talk about in this video all about AI. Okay, and very specific. First, start with the phone. Let's think about the phone. We all are using phones. We all have the LLM model accessibility, just like the Chat GPT, Gemini, Anthropic, Claude, and also DeepSeek, which is a Chinese company's LLM model. What is LLM? LLM is basically a large language model which is trained by the engineers on a large data of sets of language, so it can generate the language with the help of your prompt. The system, the LLMs can understand it, each and every word into a piece of tokens. The word is converted into tokens and this token create a image on the graph and relate and try to create a relation with these images on an infinite graph. And after that, this try to give a solution to you. In this way, this is the basic overview how the LLMs works right now. And the main thing in back of the days when ChatGPT, Gemini, Anthropic doesn't exist, do not exist. Before then, the engineers are facing problems in making the large language model because the model had not memory, not capable of memorizing the context, not content, not taking or not grabbing the context, just like I am is initiating the conversation right now. And after 3 or 5 prompt I give to the LLM, it forgot about what I am asking in my first prompt. So that's the basic flow of this in back of the days. But after, in I don't know the exact year, but Microsoft launched the a paper, which is a blog, which is you also can read it, and the name of the blog which is Attention All You Need. Okay, so in this blog, the Microsoft explained everything about how the transformer will work. This is the backbone of every LLM model, just like ChatGPT, Claude, Anthropic, Gemini, any LLM. Okay, so this is the basic overview. So we talk about AI in our phone. So everybody has the capability to use the large language model data sets. If you want to improve your productivity, if you want to create images, if you want to create a roadmap, if you want to generate the videos, you have the capability to do it. So and right now, what the major problem is, everybody is distracted. If you are entering, because you have to focus on yourself, if you want to improve yourself, your personality, you have to be your you have to take your own responsibility, because the world is changing rapidly. In my colony, DJ is now playing or just passing. That's why it creates a very noisy sound or a noise pollutions. In back of the days when I was in school, I studied this topic. Literally, I studied these topics, but at that times I don't understand what is it, what is noise pollution, man. But I literally I can understand today what is noise pollution. So let we will discuss our topic, and the topic which is AI in coding. So our topic is now AI in coding. There are lots of people who don't know a single program, who don't know how to write the code, who are building application. They are building application and building apps, websites, and some cool stuff. Let me give you a simple example. This is an example. I can say it is back of the days example. Today in the morning I just watch a reel. In this reel they say they are saying, or I also read on the Twitter. Wait, okay. So what is this? It's basically a guy who had a dog, and the dog is suffering from a cancer. I don't know the cancer, but the dog legs is got tumor. So the guy do not come from the technological background, don't do not come from the medical backgrounds, but the guy take a premium model subscriptions, Claude Premium, and ask, give it the brief prompt to this LLM and explain everything about his dog, what the kind of hybrid this dog is, and explain everything. And the LLM model generate a response. In this, the LLM model give this person to do these things if you want to save your dog. And after that, the LLM model generates a response, just like you have to create your own medicines, because there is no medicines exist in this world for this type of protein structure. So the that guy go went to the a medical company who is making the medicine. So the guy literally give $3,000 for making AlphaFold, using AlphaFold, and the medical company to build their medicines. Okay. So right now I am stopping this video because of this noise. I hope you are enjoying this video series, and I hope you liked it. This side is Badal signing off. And at the end, I just want to tell you thanks for watching this video. See you soon.